final annihilation of the life form known as man. Let the attack begin.
Sounds Underground is pretty much bringing the underground music scene to Auckland's North Shore. So we're bringing electro, drum and bass, dubstep, tech house, and some real heavy electro to Ferguson bar. So yeah, pretty much Sounds Underground is just bringing that all from the city onto the North Shore to make it local, and yeah, it's a pretty big gig. Ferguson, which is hosting Sounds Underground, is located on Auckland's North Shore. It's pretty much like the new kind of youth bar kind of Auckland, I reckon. So yeah, we're just infusing our gig with Ferguson, and we're teaming up with them to open up the car park as well to allow for just a massive amount of people to come in and just really enjoy the night. Yeah, previous Sounds Underground was run here in April. Again, we teamed up with Ferguson and just had a massive night. We had a capacity of 1,000 people, and we ended up getting 980. Previous gigs, we've had Old Trash play, Jason Housen, the #1 dubstep DJ, and a few local acts. This time around we've got Dan Orks, domestic couple from Hamilton, and also my partner in crime, A-Side, who's part of the duo act of Social Killers. So yeah, Thomas G, who'll be playing on the night. And this time, not only will we open the bar, but we'll open the car park. So yeah, massive amounts of people can come in, and just allows for like, yeah, just a massive crazy night. Sounds Underground have got 4 major sponsors. So we've got Jack Daniels and Jägermeister looking after the drinks. So on the night of Sounds Underground, they're going to be running drink specials and stuff like that. Sounds Underground also got Sligo, who's the official clothing sponsor of the gig. And we've also got Cheapskates Takapuna, who are also whacking their label on and supporting the gig, getting behind us. So yeah, it's pretty cool, local sponsors and national and international sponsors, so it's pretty big. So yeah, Sounds Underground, Ferguson Bar, North Shore, Auckland, 20th of August. It's going to be a massive night. Come down and check it out if you haven't got your ticket. Tickets are on sale now at Ferguson and Cheapskates Takapuna. So hurry up, get your ticket before it sells out, it's going to be dope.
I'm a roughneck.